Impira enables anyone to extract data from any kind of document through a no-code machine learning platform. All you do to start extracting data is add files to a collection, highlight and name examples of the values you want, then watch the predictions automatically roll in. But now you can save even more time with instant collections, which take care of all of that clicking and pointing for you for popular documents. So, while a standard collection is a blank canvas you customize yourself by adding your own fields and training, an instant collection already has fields and training built in for you. As an analogy, imagine you're at a pizza place. Think of using a standard collection as choosing a build-your-own pizza option, where you can customize a pizza in any way you'd like. However, using an instant collection is like ordering from a list of popular favorites, like Supreme, Hawaiian, or Meat Lovers. The work of curating pizza toppings and their amounts has already been done for you by the pizza place. You could order these pizzas as is, or you could customize them further by adding or removing toppings to your liking. You could still choose to build your own pizza, aka a standard collection, and end up adding all the toppings that make a Hawaiian pizza, aka an instant collection. But choosing a preset option from the get-go saves you time and effort. Instant collections are still just as flexible and customizable as standard collections. They just help you get going faster. Here's an example use case. Let's say you have a group of ACORD 25 forms you wanted to extract data from. Go to the Instant Collections page, which is linked in the description, and choose the ACORD 25 Instant Collection. It'll take you to the Impira platform and you'll land in your new ACORD 25 Instant Collection. Notice that the fields are pre-populated. All you need to do at this point is upload your own ACORD 25 forms. Let Impira do its thing and extract values for these fields from your files. When it's done, take a moment to review the predictions. Though this instant collection comes pre-trained, you may need to do a bit of tidying up. Let me walk you through this process. Let's open up a low confidence value with the red Review Recommended marker to see if there's something we can adjust. I can see that the fax number wasn't fully captured. Click the value and go readjust the blue box to capture the correct full value. Hit Confirm Value in blue box when you're done. By correcting this value, we're giving Impira a clearer picture of what the fax number value looks like. As you can see, Impira took our input and reprocessed the values in the fax field, changing some low confidence predictions to high confidence ones. We'll do the same thing with this low confidence value for the phone number field. Feel free to open up any files and confirm even highly confident correct values. Every bit of your input makes this collection better and better. Let's go over customizing your instant collection by adding, removing, and renaming fields. If you want a field beyond what's pre-built into an instant collection, like this certificate holder number, you can easily create one by clicking New Field. Choose your field type, and in this case, it's single text value. Highlight the value on the document and name this field. Click Create Field when you're done. Impira will start searching for values for the field certificate holder from the rest of the ACORD 25 forms in this collection. Once predictions for this field come in, we'll open files and start confirming or correcting predictions for this field. This process is called training because you're teaching Impira how to more accurately identify this field than other values in this collection. These are already high confidence values, but we'll confirm a few anyway. You can also remove fields you don't need by clicking the three dots by the field name and hitting delete. To reverse this action, you can always add this field back by repeating the steps we just went over for creating a new field. You can always change field names to whatever suits you. While in collection view, click the three dots by any field name and hit edit. Make any changes you need and click save or hit your enter key. If you don't see the document type you need in our Instant Collections library, make a request using the link in the description. And that's how to use Instant Collections. Take them for a spin and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.